Improving on an iconic product. How is that done? By building upon reliability, productivity, and the commitment to making our legendary walk-behind scrubber work even harder for you. Meet today's new icon, the Tennant T600 and T600e. The T600 and T600e deliver cleaning performance you can count on, with durable design and a suite of productivity-boosting features. Scrub longer between empty and fill cycles with large-capacity solution and recovery tanks. Clean virtually any hard surface with a wide range of cleaning heads, including an orbital option. Maximize battery life and runtime with the optional Smart Fill system, which provides virtually worry-free automatic battery watering. Help prevent breakdowns and simplify preventative maintenance with easy-to-identify yellow maintenance touchpoints. Simplify operation and training with intuitive controls, all within easy reach. Deliver results in the harshest environments with industrial-grade construction, featuring a corrosion-resistant scrub deck and rust-proof polyethylene body and tanks. All of this is backed by a comprehensive warranty, readily available Tennant replacement parts, and strong service programs to keep your equipment up and running. The end of an era. The dawn of a new iconic workhorse. Tennant's T600 and T600e, working even harder for you. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.